because I equal fun.
Carmedia.
Here we are, Rincon, Puerto Rico, and I'm hanging out here at the Marina beach. So if you find yourself down here, you have got to come to this tiny little beach and enjoy yourself because it's a good time, and I'm going to show it to you. So let's go. Vamos. This beach has more than what meets the eye. If you want to take a boat out, you could do that. If you want to rent a surfboard, a paddle board, you want surf lessons, you want a tour, you can go right over to that tent. There's plenty to do here, and it's 7:45 a.m. That's why there's nobody here. But by 12 noon, this place is going to be wild. Tell you, these days here in Rincon get super hot, and when you need to escape the sun, I'd say take a walk over to the Shipwreck Bar and Grill. Really good spot. Happy hour from 5 to 7, super cheap, and just a good vibe. Good location. Check it out. So that's a wrap on Rincon Marina Beach. You can't get a better day than this. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Carmedia. Let's go on tour. I shall see you soon. Ciao.